conversions. Here we see the scale of the units of measurement of weight, which starts from the kilogram, the largest unit, up to the milligram, the smallest unit. The arrows indicate the direction of unit conversion, showing whether to multiply or divide when going from larger to smaller units, and vice versa. For example, to convert kilograms to grams, we need to multiply by 10 as many times as there are positions between the two units. On the contrary, to go from grams to kilograms, we have to divide by 10 as many times as there are positions up to the kilogram. In this example, we want to convert 24 grams to kilograms. Here the question mark indicates that we do not yet know the resulting value. Let's start from the unit of gram, and we take a step to the left to reach the decagram. To do this, we divide our 24 grams by 10, which is 2.4 decagrams. Then we take another step to the left towards the hectogram. So we divide our 2.4 decagram by 10 to get 0.24 hectograms. Finally, we take a last step to the left to get to kilograms. Dividing our 0.24 hectograms by 10, we get 0.024 kilograms. In total, we took 3 steps to the left to convert grams to kilograms. This means that we divided our 24 grams by 10 3 times in a row, which is the equivalent of dividing 24 by 1000. So 24 grams is 0.024 kilograms. Here we still have 24 grams, but this time we want to convert it to milligrams. Since we are converting from the gram to a smaller unit, the milligram, we have to multiply instead of dividing. So let's take a step to the right, multiplying 24 grams by 10 and getting 240 decigrams. Then one more step, multiplying by 10 again to get 2400 centigrams. Finally, multiplying by 10 one last time, we get 24,000 milligrams, which corresponds to our 24 grams converted to milligrams. In conclusion, to convert from grams to milligrams, we multiply by 10 3 consecutive times, equivalent to multiplying directly by 1000. So 24 grams is 24,000 milligrams. In this example, we want to convert 2 kilograms into grams. To go from kilogram to gram, we need to take 3 steps to the right on a unit scale by multiplying by 10 at each step. This is equivalent to multiplying directly by 1000, obtaining 2000 grams. So in total, we multiply 2 by 1000 to get 2000 grams. 2 kilograms corresponds to 2000 grams. Finally, in this last example, we have 2000 milligrams. and we want to convert them into grams. To convert milligrams to grams, we need to take 3 steps to the left on the unit scale, dividing by 10 at each step. This is equivalent to dividing directly by 1000, obtaining the value in grams. So 2000 milligrams is 2 grams.